But beyond that, where do we go?
I think we're set up for a really strong rally into year end. And I know we just came out of a pretty terrible grind. I've talked to a lot of PMs that have said it's one of their worst 6-week periods ever in their career. So we know people have lost money, they've de-risked. But we know into year end we have the positive seasonals, especially given how strong the May to October was. You know, it's really a 5 to 6 chance that we're going to be up 5% into year end.
Wait a second. Did Tom Lee just say that the S&P 500 will increase 5%, which is from here to here, by year end? And if that's so, it will go above 7,000, which is about 7,200, because 7,000 would be about 3.5% from the current level of 6,848, which is where it's currently at during Black Friday weekend. Or did he mean that it would be up 5% from the Palantir and Nvidia sell-off, which was Thursday, November 20th, because that is exactly 5% upward from that low. But I do believe he said we will be at 7,000 on the S&P 500 by year end. What did you hear? And if Tom Lee is correct, was this the only sell-off before year end? Or will there be another sell-off? What do you think? But what happened to the AI bubble stock market crash that was supposed to happen? Are you telling me that 5% was the only sell-off that we're gonna get from the AI bubble? Or is there another one coming?
A Bank of America fund manager survey finds more than half of big investors now believe AI stocks are in bubble territory, calling an AI bubble the top risk to markets. Now, part of the fear is coming because it's tied to one of the biggest names in AI, NVIDIA, the chip maker driving the boom. Michael Burry, the investor who correctly predicted the 2008 mortgage crisis, now betting, listen to this, $1.1 billion against NVIDIA. Tech billionaire Peter Thiel, best known for co-founding PayPal and Palantir Technologies, recently, what he did, revealed he sold his hedge fund's entire stake in NVIDIA. So with these moves, people are saying, wait a second, is this a boom or is this gonna, this bubble gonna burst? And that's where people are kind of saying, proceed with caution. You got to really pay attention.
Yeah, if it does feel like the train has left the station, the concern I have is we just don't know where it's going.